Hi, human. So glad you've made it to the Earthwork Gallery. We've been open for thousands of years, but these exhibitions, they never get old. Let me show you around. That piece over there, we call it The Sea. The Big Bang and God are still trying to negotiate the copyrights on that one. Oh, here's something more contemporary. All right now, and if you'd come here, stand right here. To the left, to the left. Boom! We've framed the most remarkable masterpiece of them all. Just in time for happy hour. Every hour is happy hour here, to be honest, but still, can I get you a drink? We have something really fresh on tap. Go ahead, I call this one Spring on the Rocks. Wait, that's a good song. Turn it up. Ah, the European Robin. He's so good. Really gets me moving. All right, good to catch up. Good luck with everything. I'm rooting for you. To be honest, we are not a five-star hotel. We've got 1 billion stars lighting up the sky, and we welcome humans accordingly. We're very spacious, truly spacious, and all-inclusive too. The outdoor pools, the workouts, the air conditioning, the view, the surround sound system, the serenity. Come whenever, stay for however long. 1 billion-star resort for the price of none.